nwanyi Iyeji na eze nwoke nchagbu ekele aha inugo maka eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu arusi eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu inugo maka eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu arusi eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu mmụọ nwere ngabasị arusi dị nnekwu eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu mmụọ karaka mmụọ nwere ngabasị arusi dị nnekwu eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu eze nwanyi Iyeji eze nwoke nchagbu arusi dị nnekwu arusi nwere nsọ arusi na-achụ ndị amosu arusi na-eje ọrụ na-ejekwa igbo arusi na-ebuli elu arusi na-agba ọgụ ara na-azụ nwa oke mmụọ ọkwa gị bụ mmụọ Ugochi tubelu oji eje ọkwa gị bụ mmụọ Ugochi tubelu oji ala Ugochi tubelu nọrọ ifite Ugochi tubelu inugo maka eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu arusi eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu inugo maka eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu arusi eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu mmụọ nwere ngabasị arusi dị nnekwu eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu mmụọ karaka mmụọ nwere ngabasị arusi dị nnekwu eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu eze mmụọ Chukwu nọnyelu m Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu gwarụ m eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu na-eme mma mmụọ na-azọ ndụ n'ọzọrọ ya ndụ oke mmụọ ọtụtụ na-abịa kụrụ mba m nne nwanyi Iyeji ogodo ọkwa gị na di gị nchagbu na-ejekọ ọkwa gị bụ mmụọ Ugochi tubelu ji eje ọkwa gị bụ mmụọ Ugochi tubelu ji ala Ugochi tubelu nọrọ ifite Ugochi tubelu inugo maka eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu arusi eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu inugo maka eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu arusi eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu mmụọ nwere ngabasị arusi dị nnekwu eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu mmụọ karaka mmụọ nwere ngabasị arusi dị nnekwu eze nwanyi Iyeji na nchagbu
viewers all over the world. Egwu ndokita abụ egwu Chinaza Adigbo onye egwu tiri mmụọ na temple a na-akpọ Iyeji na nchagbu. Abụ na like nya bụ egwu jee na Audio Mac, the iTunes and rest of them ịchọ nya bụ egwu ma download ya. Yes, for some of you that are seeing me for the first time, call me Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu n'ọrụ ifite maọbụ aka jubu. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazi ọlụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụkwa onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu, topic today achọ ka anyị nebe anya bụ trending topic here in Anambra State. I want to use this opportunity to react to a newly passed law in the state known as home security laws. Yes, onye nwa bụ topic anyị ga-enebe anya taa. Yes, reaction on state security laws. Our topic. Before we dive into today's lecture, an analysis. important announcement is this. Remember, we are still in the month of January. Our group ritual is still ongoing. You can join our group ritual anywhere you are all over the world under the sun. Makanike Uzrumbadi. Jambunian Ajiputi, Ajesgonia Buni Otutun Madeno. But we don't share testimonies on social media or even in Ezioku TV. You know why? It's not necessary. But I can tell you, I'm more than a haha. This is what to go in my temple. Just two aja tabu bosia for Buku was the temple. Go in the two aja temple. This show to Anahamadum. Listen difference of the temple, children of the temple, and our fans and the members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission. This show to Tua. About a gumnez and a bioku. Joku bioku. Nahamadum. Jokajana walk a letter, dimini. Abundo banja. Ya Kubioku. Ya Yonisi, Denya in. Yes. So he had not checked while ago. I wanted interested in this when I have group ritual. He gave me 4 their 3 prayer requests. I get them an altar and I charge and I go for the Kubioku. Then on one. Obosi Bazon Goma. I get a middle with eatable things. I get Masaraka. Then I just an apple collect and dimly charge him Nahamadu. Bagotana temple, charge to entities of powers in the temple. Jeze neben chwa jabu mesaraka wanda chubacha makanaja kalirogu. So I'm only interested in this one ya. Mobu ni nwere ajuju nwere ejo. Na nkuzi ya mobu reaction ayi anota. Mobu ne choka gbala gafa miremi. Chat am na WhatsApp 0805 7837672. I repeat 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243871. I repeat 0813-8243-871. Let's now dive into today's analysis and reaction. Now, we have to look at the new law that was recently passed by the House, influenced by the government. Now, let me tell you one thing. Any given law, well, the good side and the maybe overstretched side too. Now, one, let me start with my fellow traditionalists. I will tell you where most of us get it wrong, and I also advise the government on the best practices and best thing to do. First of all, spirituality has been in existence from time immemorial until date. Nobody, no matter whatever position the person is occupying right now, will ever stop spirituality. It has been in existence. Even in developed, so-called developed world, they don't joke with their spirituality. I can tell you. And well, even the great spiritual sects, and well, in this world, majority of them, their founders are Uigbos. Yes, they are all spiritual movements. And I can tell you, the spiritualities and powers that are the rulers of this gross material world. No doubt about it. I will mention few top religious sects. Yes, that the founders and the origin are all about Uigo. So, and they practice their spirituality without being harassed or anywhere. You can't even stop it because it's a part of life. The only thing is that we in Africa, we pretend a lot. We pretend a lot. All our people, even the so-called leaders, most of them are into spirituality in one way or the other. However, but some of them can always hide their real identity. Some of them. I still know that some are proud of whatever they believe in, but some pretenders are more. Even in the developed world, they don't joke with their own. Is it the Indians? They'll keep telling you about Buddha, Lord Buddha. They will tell you about Lord Shiva. It's there. In Igbo spirituality, we have similarities. We have Okumwodi teacher, Eze-Ana practices tradition. And the Okumwodi teacher encourages us to offer sacrifices, as case may be. And when Okumwo all the Awalose, that is Alokose, Eborienisi, Mwere Alusi were some sacrifices you need Rachel. You need to water some of you ordinary. Where to about. I have stayed in India for a very long time. Even if in India, they have where you can go and offer sacrifices of your ordinary. Even on social media, go to social media, you will see it. Sometimes you will see them carrying fruits and vegetable stuff. Something that decays, as in eatable things. Actually, I'm against people going to the water streams with this polythene stuff or plastic of a thing, because they don't decay. But those eatable things like fruit and whatever, which we have been clamoring for, has been the normal thing all over the world. The only difference is that here, because of the government have not done what they expected of them, and then where designated place for the here to aja. Okay, to can boss me, man, I bet you well carelessness and lawlessness everywhere, including government officials to the layman on the street. Don't forget that society is already corrupt. And because that society is already corrupt, those people you see in government today are once members of the society. So if the society is corrupt, they will produce corrupt government. So what I'm saying is that Ihe Basalaja has been, and the Igbo spirituality propagates Echuaja, not Ogu. Ogu is like another dimension, like Eze-Ana they use when there is serious state of emergency. But I don't wait to do it. Dibia na agwa de bi n'ime mbe ndị mmadụ bi. Ị na-anụ ka a na-ekwu okwu sị na na-ejere gwọta ọgwụ dị etu a na-ejere agụ na-asa na mba na-asa. People that dwell in charm making live in isolated areas. Yes. So, but what I want to tell you today is, ndị ụfọdụ ndị na-arụ ọrụ ọdịnala mekwuru their own shiko ha nwere ebe some of them make some terrible mistakes are not necessary. I will still address it. Now, what I want to establish first is that spirituality and the Echuaja is everywhere all over the world, depending on how you look at it. However, ọ bụrụ na nwere ụfọdụ method of Echuaja na-abụ dị anya njọ. Yes, mụnwa supportro na-aga na-enwe ebe ọtụtụ aja everywhere along the road. No. Mgbe burugbo dabe nna enwere n'ebe okwu a na-ayị, o nwere ebe enwere ebe ọtụtụ aja. A ga-enwe designated place. Obodo ọbụla nwere mgbe gboo. Only that our people pretend a lot. Na my place, na my own village, enwere ebe enwere ya. Ichi ibupu aja, ije that particular location. Etu aka ndị bosi mie, and that man not n'obodo ọbụla. So let every time maintain ebe a na-atụ aja, so that onye ọbụla nwere aja ga-eje that particular place. Ọ bụrụ ịda adọmpi everywhere. Mana ana m achọ ịgwa gị na ịtụ aja na-atụ aja everywhere. Kama na ọbụla na obodo ọbụla nwere ebe ewepụtara maka ya. Also indigenous people ma those areas, even in the so-called developed world. If you are talking about spirituality, every spirituality has their own way of communicating to the gods. The Lord Buddha of a thing, Hinduism, English Shintoism of the Japanese people, and all of them is almost in hand to hand with Eze-Ana, because they recognize Chukwu. Like Indians, they will tell them Bagwam Chukwu Purimi Henine, where's the gods. like Lord Shiva and the rest of them, that the twice in Ogugu, Amadio Handudo. And those Amadio Handudo are natural haja. How they don't want the water elements. Eatable things, not plastics made of. So, here now each one at the Badobo. Is it, do you want me to mention the religious set? Like, okay, let's say use Catholic. Catholic is all about the Roman tradition. They modernize it as a church. The founders are the Igbos. More credit should go to Nero. He tried his own, and then by Constantine, who gave them a big boost. Is it the Great Message? Great Message, the founder of Great Message is the Abroshin, a German that settled in Austria, Vompagback, the mountain known as mountain. Is it the Ekanka, the way of the spirit, Ek, way of the spirit? The living egg master, the last time I checked, is from America. The founders of the Ekanka are foreigners, the white. Is it Lodge? Is it Lodge? Is it Freemason? They're all white people, and these are religious sects. All those top, even Illuminati, all those top, these are Igbos. In fact, some of them are even the ones stopping the leadership all over the world. So it's all about spirituality. Depend on how you are looking at it. So because you need belong to one spirituality or the other, then you feel like you can separate the indigenous way of worship. The truth of the matter is that indigenous way of worship cannot be subdued. Indigenous way of worship can confront any foreign powers. Unlike Christianity cannot stop foreign powers. In fact, members of Christian religions belong to this foreign sects. Some members of this Christianity, they work hand in hand. Some of these people in top government that call themselves Christians belong to some of these sects. So they work hand in hand. The only spirituality that can confront foreign gods in any way is indigenous gods way of worship. So that's why they are attacking it. Yes, I agree that some charlatan. The truth of the matter is that in every profession, in my previous lectures, that Dibia work is a profession. Dibia is not the custodian of culture in any town. Any town, the hierarchy, the elders, hierarchy, village hierarchy, and where the Akaji of us, not more the teacher. Hierarchy, Dibia is there, is out of it. Dibia is a profession. Dibia is just like a medical doctor. Yes. So what I'm saying is that if a Dibia does something wrong, blame that particular person, not giving Igbo spirituality bad name. Igbo spirituality only encourages a chuaja. It does not encourage a war. A war, like I said, and with productive war. Obodo na embark on when serious state of emergency. When negative ogu, ndị mmadụ na abayezi n'ime like okite, nwunite, and rest of them, those things are negative because the primary purpose of it is to hypnotize someone, to make somebody to not to recognize himself and make the person give you what he does not belong, does not deserve. So any charm of Muna Emelo in order to hypnotize somebody is negative. Yes, but any ten open obodo jikara aka ọnụ wee wube maka ọdịmma obodo ha ma for protection of their town is positive. So obodo na-anọkịta mee positive charm once in a while ma enwee state of emergency ọ dịbara gboo. Mana nke a agbụrụ kịta who get rich quick. For ndị na-asị na ndị dibịa karịrị na Anambra State, Anambra has been champion in everything from time immemorial as isi Igbo. Is it academical? I remember some of the old, the first professors in Nigeria, Professor Kenneth Dike from Nnewi, and were early professors during the colonial masters, early educationists are from Anambra State. Just mention all the early, mention the first 10 professors in Eastern Nigeria. It's from Anambra State. Mention successful people, 10 most successful people in Eastern Nigeria. Majority will come from Anambra State. Academics is from here. So everything Anambra State leads. In spirituality, Anambra State leads. In spirituality, I challenge, there is no state in Igbo land that we have number of clergymen Anambra State produce. Is it among the 11 fathers? Anambra State are there. Is it among the highest states that produce bishops? Even in Catholic faith and Anglican, Anambra State produced the highest number of bishops so far. So in everything, Anambra State champion, even in other religion, is people from Anambra State that are financing some of these religious sects outside Anambra. So Anambra is the first in anything. So I'm not surprised if they are also first in spirituality. Now, as in every every 12 there must be a Judas. You know that, yeah? So in Anambra State, Mande Biarabia, some of these people now commit, some of them Mande Biarabia, some quite indigenous. So you want to win the Kubuna. Obru them will name excesses. Those people should be cautioned. In fact, I recommend that each town on their own should take note of those people who now practice traditional. As in, now practice tradition. As in, maybe as Dibia or as a Dibia one. Call them, take note of everybody, take note of whatever everybody is doing. Then from time to time, give them a consult seminar. It's okay. By so doing, we're able to ward off chaff from the corn. Not giving blanket whatever laws with, I don't know the intention of actually the people that maybe drafted the whatever law. Then to people that are called, I'm blaming most of you too. You now overdo things. Most of you don't have another source of income. And because you don't have another source of income, you are trying to emulate the method of some of these pastors. Because actually it's the pastor that started showcasing miracles and whatever. And some of these DBS started emulating the system, thereby over showcasing whatever. Some even showcase what they have. Some will not even showcase what they don't have. In order, they are looking for customers. I obey Eze-Ana in the past years, you will not ever see any me posting anything concerning my spiritual work. I will never do it. And I have been kicking against this. Because I can tell you, these people you are seeing are watching social media. Don't you know? With these things they are saying, showing that these people actually have time for social media. Even our leaders that drafted this law, sometimes they go to social media. So by so doing, our people overdo things. By social media, social media, everything social media. So whatever you do or put it on social media, that's what attracted it. Because once you always put all those things on social media, some people will be envious of you, some people will misunderstand you, and so on and so on and so forth. So I'm calling on all these DBS and the DBS working at DBS one. Curtail your excesses. It's not necessary you come in here and be showing your ego. You go to river, you snap it. For what for? You are doing work at home, you snap it, put on social media. What for? You are looking for customers. It's wrong plan. And look at the consequence of what you have done. Everything you show it on social media. Your enemy, you are weaponizing your enemy, you are giving your enemy or something you will use to fight you. So what I can tell you that there are some excesses. However, those excesses can be curtailed. And again, some of this way of doing some work can receive reformation. Some of this year way of dumping Ihijelwolo carelessly anywhere is abnormal. I obey and go to well. The way I do my work, I hardly notice that I do DB around my own place. I work plenty, but I make sure that even if you want to take some of the statistics out, you must take it in a way that it will not cause nuisance to the road users. So take this note, and it shall be well with you. Then to our leaders are not getting it right at all. And we do so many things. There is so much poverty in the land. I think our leaders should focus more on creating jobs and security. Creating jobs and security, very important. Most youth don't have job. Now, each government should be ready to provide jobs for the youth. There is no job anywhere. Most of our youth, I have been talking about this. Why is it that Anambra youths are no longer going into apprenticeship, the way it used to be? And because of it, most of them now go into Yahoo. So there's Yahoo everywhere. Even we have government Yahoo, we have individual Yahoo. Yahoo is simple as a result of giving somebody false promise. That is Yahoo. So what I'm saying in essence is that the government you need to buckle up. They have not done anything. The government should pay attention. If it's going to Microsoft, then get them to come here and train 21 local governments in Anambra. Ask every government. This is my humble advice to government. What you should do to take our youth off the road of crime. Go to Microsoft in US. Invite them. They are experts. Tell each local government to bring like 10 people from each local government. Then assemble them. If you want to do it in zone by zone, do it zone by zone, in that those youth will be trained in programming, developing softwares. Let them use this 21st century IT mind they are using to do crime. Let them use it to train them in youthful IT related courses. Then make sure that they can train them in a way that they can be assembling some of these things here. After training those 10 people, let those 10 people go back to their local government, train another 10. Let those people train another people. By so doing, we train our youth in software development and the rest of them. By so doing, empower them to be self-employed. You can go to Italians or maybe to Chinese. Bring those people that know how to do shoes and bags. Make sure you get people from local government and train them and empower them with finance and provide light for them. So government should do more. Because if government refuse to do empowerment to our youth, I don't mind the devil's workshop. Some of them will go into crime. Some of you will be asking me, where will government get money to do all these things? Government can actually do it by making governance less attractive. This honorable 50%. Mr. Governor should reduce his own money. All the house members, all these top civil servants that are earning over ₦1 million monthly should cut their own. So that government will have more money to provide amenities and help these small scale businesses. We have some of us that are into private businesses. Sometimes you source your own source of light. You do everything, no support, nothing. So government should do more to take some of our youth off the road. And sometimes some of those politicians live so large, and some of these youth are seeing them. By so they too are looking for money, because they know that by getting money they will be able to compete with this politician. And some of them might decide to go to politics tomorrow, and they need money. So, and some of them can even go into crime. So what I'm saying in essence is that our government should sit up. There is so much insecurity in the state. They should do more. They should do more. Intelligence gathering, starting from each town. Know the way they can do it in order to gather those information from every town. Have strong database. Yes, and also pay attention to all these groups as a causing insecurity in the states. So what I'm saying is that government should do more. Making laws is very simple to make, but what I'm telling you is that if really government really want to change and make an impact, each government should make an impact in really bringing positive change. And for you to get positive change, you must carry the youth out, because they are future leaders. So what I'm saying is that this law is not really the most important thing that we need in Anambra now. The law is okay, but there are some certain things that they should look into. The issue of security, very important. And for you to tackle security, you must provide jobs and opportunity to the youths, so that going into crime will no longer be lucrative. So what I'm saying is that let our leaders, Mr. Governor, pay attention to security, because insecurity actually draws some of these investors away from Anambra State, and there is no job anywhere. And some of our youths may be misguided. They thought they can make it from joining the fast lane. So let's see how we can comb this menace. But I can tell you, if you want to look, you are looking for religious crime, it's everywhere, even among modern pastors and rest of them. It's there. So let there be peace. That's my advice. Then my fellow called ones, this is a time for you to retrace your steps. There is no point coming on social media to show your work. If you have money, have it for yourself. Stop this small thing and come and show. Stop thing and come and show. You have car, you come and show. You have this one, you come and show. Stop all these things. You are attracting negative energy to yourself. And now look at how they are bossing you to the corner, because he gave a room for it. Then in the manner or the way some of us distribute sacrifices on the road, you should have able to ajage. If your community cannot provide it and you have land, provide your own land. I myself, if I want to take anything out, it must be on my land. You have a special place where you offer these things. So we need to make this place a better place. But let me sound a warning. If any intention of introducing whatever law is to fight Igbo spirituality, I can say that whatever that Igbo spirituality, nobody can fight Igbo spirituality. Nobody can fight Igbo spirituality. Igbo spirituality have come to stay, and nobody can stop it. Go to me anywhere. Let me stop here. If you have questions in today's lecture, or you want us to do deep consultation for you, no one you have in this today's reaction, chat me on WhatsApp 0805-783-7672. I repeat, 0805-783-7672 or 0813-8243-871. I repeat, 0813-8243-871. May the blessings of Chukwuoke Premihenine be with you all. May you be favored. May you be protected. Naha Chukwuoke Premihenine. And you can listen to ya gazie emesịa.